is garbage day. Look, there's a garbage. There's a garbage can. So what's gonna happen? Well, at least, bye-bye. That was a great time. Do. There's another garbage can. Let's see what happens. Up. That was a great one. Do. Let's go to the garbage can. The garbage can. Oh look, there's another garbage can. Hold on. There. Now, let's see what happens in the front. Wow, that was cool. Let's record that again. And send it. See, that was wonderful. Now let's see it. The other one. That was really wonderful. Up. Goodbye. It is the garbage day. To take the garbage in the garbage can. And here we go. Look, there's another garbage can. This is almost the last one. Well, not least. Yeah. What? Hold on. Okay. Now, see it. Let's see it go again. Watch that thing and repeat it again. Well, thanks for watching.